Welcome back to the channel, guys. Steve here from Knights of England, and in today's video we have the Baccar-I Customs lighted gas pedal instruction video on how to use it, how to access the app, and some of the features you'll find within the app and how you can customize it when you're in there. So if this is something that interests you and you want to see how this lighted gas pedal operates and how you can customize it to your liking, stick with us, watch the video to the end and we'll show you. So let's get to it. Okay, let's get into it. This is the table of contents and the entire instruction booklet, which is supplied directly from Baccar-I Customs. There's a link down in the description so you can go directly to this and browse through it at your leisure and read it in more detail. I am going to fast forward through this, but you will see that it's a very comprehensive booklet put together by Baccar-I Customs and well worth a read, especially if it's something that you are interested in buying. As you can see, as I'm skipping through this a little bit quicker, there really is a lot of information in here. So I'm not going to show you the entire booklet, but I do recommend that you go click on the link, go to the download this for yourself and read it all the way through. As I say, if it's something that you're interested in purchasing for yourself, this is a great document to read pre-purchase to give you an idea of what you're buying and why it really is worth every penny, and renowned not only by Knights of England but by the Knight Rider historians as well as the most accurate and functional gas pedal on the market today. As a nice little addition, when ordering the pedal you do receive this QR code which will take you straight to the same document linked in the description. So once you've powered up your pedal, the first thing you need to do is connect it via the Wi-Fi. It'll be kit pedal, probably 005 as here, and you need to use the password 12345. Then open your browser and go to http://192.168.4.1/ and it will open up the app as seen here. This app is built into the pedal itself, so no need to download anything from the App Store or from Google Play or whatever other service that you use. The app itself is all built into your pedal. Now once you've opened the app, of course, you're going to want to play around with the various settings and the different demo modes. We have a scanner mode, pedal demo, fade mode and toggle sound. Toggle sound, of course, is very self-explanatory. It simply turns the sound on and off. Fade mode is a mode which fades the lights on and off. Pedal demo I'll show you in a moment, and scanner mode also I'll show you in a moment. If you then scroll further down, there are various different settings which with a slide bar you can adjust. And here I'm just demonstrating the pedal in its normal operation mode set with the gyro. So as you press the pedal down, the LEDs will go up and down at the speed that I've set within the app. Again, here we have it going up and going down, and that speed is totally adjustable on one of the slide bars within the app itself. And now I'm going to go to the app and change to the scanner mode, and you'll see the light scanning up and down both sides of the pedal. Again, this is completely adjustable with regards to the speed that it goes up and down, and of course again you can turn the sound on or off using the toggle button. Do remember, whichever mode you leave your pedal set in, next time you power up the pedal it will return to that mode. Here we have the fade mode going brighter and then dimming all the way off. The phone doesn't pick this up too well with the camera, but I can assure you in reality there's a lovely fade in and out on the pedal. Now, I wonder what Carr thinks to his new addition. Shall we ask him? Carr, do you like your new gas pedal?
Well.
Might help reinforce my self-image.
Wait a minute, car. That isn't you. That sounds like Kit. Are your alpha circuits failing? What on earth is going on?
We have an intruder.
Amazing. His anger grows. Do not fear, my friends. I will protect you.
Sure thing, car. I think we can all agree you definitely like the new gas pedal, and so do I.
The days of feeling good aren't over. Not for someone who still dreams. Not for someone like you.
Well, I certainly hope they're not. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please do go down and give it a like. And of course, if you've not already done so, do subscribe and share this video with your friends. And remember to hit the bell icon so that next time we release a video, you don't miss it. I've been Steve. This has been Knights of England. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next. Ta-da for now.